Hello traders, today is the 12th of December 2022. I know most of the traders they are waiting to FOMC news, but we managed very decent profit just before the FOMC news, guys. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze very decent profit through a live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. You don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future. Feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. And if you look at the Euro USD chart and if you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, we had such a nice, beautiful long. That's after the CPI data. We had a beautiful long trade. We also had a counter short trade. So this morning, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So we were expecting after this breakout pullback around this level, we had such a nice, beautiful long trade here. And afterwards, we also had another beautiful long. Let me explain to you how we analyze the market. And if you look at here, this was a pretty straightforward because as you can see, we haven't seen any volatility today. I think the market is waiting for the FOMC. So we managed very beautiful pips just before the news. Okay, you can see here that was a pretty straightforward. Yesterday, we had a beautiful long trade here. Afterwards, this morning, as you can see here, just before the London Open, we have this pretty straightforward breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit this previous level, that's what I explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see what sort of market is going to develop another structure. As you can see, the New York session pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this level as mentioned here, so then after the breakout confirm, then we keep taking a pullback, or if the price gonna break this level, then long here. As you can see here, price nicely broken this level, beautiful. Even after the breakout, we have a pullback. As you can see here, price nicely hit this level. That was the level which we were expecting. As explained, my trader tightening his stop loss. So based on the price action, guys, this is the trade we had it. As you know, market is waiting for FMC, but we managed decent profit on Euro USD. Pound dollar, we had a very good trade, guys. We had amazing trade. If you look at the 4-hour chart, yesterday we had such a nice long trade here. So pretty straightforward, as you can see here. As explained to my trader, look for at this level pullback. And if you look at here, we have this inside candle pattern. Both candles are spinning top candles. Breakout, pretty straightforward this morning. Beautiful long trade here. And at the New York session, we also had another beautiful long trade here. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday. And that was a pretty straightforward, guys. Let me share with you guys. You can see here. This morning, that was a pretty straightforward morning analysis just before the London Open. As you can see here, price nicely broken and off based on this analysis. Price nicely broken. That was the pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout pullback, as soon as the price hit this profit target, explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. And at the New York session, as you can see here, after the opening bell, you can see here, it's sort of like price developed at this level. Price came back to this level, which is broken. And you can see here, price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern, which we explained to our trader. After the breakout, we have another pullback, and that's what I explained my trader. Just keep taking a pullbacks. So as soon as the price hit here, triple top, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's wait for the FOMC. All right, so beautiful trade on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had such a nice, beautiful trade yesterday and today. If you look at here, based on the 4-hour, we were expecting a pullback around this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. So this morning, as you can see here, price nicely reversed. So we also had a beautiful long trade here, and then afterward we had a very small counter short trade. I think the most of the trade is still holding this short trade here. Let me share with you the analysis, intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. Okay, so if you look at here, this is the analysis. London Open, after the London Open, price developed this one. Pretty straightforward. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high, and that's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, let's wait for the price develop another structure. As you can see here, based on the explained my trade, if the price gonna break this one, keep taking a pullback, or if the price gonna break this level, previous low at this level, then short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price also developed another pullback, and beautiful. As soon as the price hit this resistance level, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. and let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. Price develop another head and shoulder pattern, and that's what explained my trader. If the price failed to break, then take a long trade, short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and as I explained, based on the momentum, explained my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks. So we have one breakout, another pullback. I think we have another pullback is performed too. As you can see here, price is heading towards the target level, but as I explained my trader, I think we are done for the just before the FOMC, but most of the traders enjoyed peeping today. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time. That's the most important part. That's why you're going to validate whatever analysis review I'm producing, it is valid or not. And the interesting part of it, you're not just going to enjoy the analysis, you're going to banking profit in real time. And once you show us a consistency result, we can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description guys. As always mentioned, have a safe trading. Just be careful. FOMC news, I think, is after 1 hour is going to release. So have a safe trading guys. Wish you all the best. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.